So we are fishing, or well, they are fishing, family members, and I'm sitting here cleaning their fish and using the picogrill 760. That's kind of the biggest picogrill, and you can see like it's supported by these woods, so that's quite nice for working in the snow. Not that much snow here, but these sticks do make some difference. And we just had a coffee break here, and yeah, quite happy with this stove so far. Let's see how the long-term testing will be. And so there is this device for putting your vegan sausages or something, and this is also a really nice design, I have to say, like very flat packing and like really well designed. And yeah, so grateful for this opportunity. This is like no commercial anything. I paid normal price for this stove, for this fireplace, and I have to say, like, there were like cheaper ones available, copies made in China. I don't know, this might even be also made in China, which would be bad. Like, anyhow, it's original picogrill. I hope it's made in Switzerland. I like to believe it's made in Switzerland. At least the design is made in Switzerland. So and like really I was for a moment like thinking about these Chinese copies, simply because they're so much cheaper, and I heard they're actually like kind of good copies. At the same time, I felt like, now how would I feel if I would put effort into designing something and then someone would rip it off, and then people would buy this. So like really I think it's good to honor the designer and the design, and save some money and buy the original, and not feel bad afterwards. So I feel good about this one. Yes, and I bought this to work in the black tent, in the Kote, this German scouting tent, as an open fireplace off the ground, and also for winter trips with the sledges. So that one can have like a proper fireplace, which makes, especially for groups, food making a lot faster. Okay, that was a little review on this picogrill 760. I shall show another video how it packs small and everything, but yeah, this was it. Alright, have a good time, take good care, and by the way, behind me, you see the forest over there? That's Russia. So I'm filming from Finland to Russia, and yeah, I'm so annoyed that we humans still hold on to this idea of borders. No other animal is doing this really stupid idea. And in the moment, like looking at the world, like, guys, it's really like mostly, I think by far mostly men doing all this stupid shit. So really behave, serve us mother nature, serve us nature, and think long term, not this short term, I don't know, testosterone foolish stuff. Yep. Okay, have a good time anyhow. Bye bye.